Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Incognito history on both your PC and Android device. Let's start with your PC. Go to the Start button and type CMD to bring up the command prompt. When you see it, make sure to select Run as Administrator. If you don't see that option, simply right-click on Command Prompt, and you'll see Run as Administrator there. Go ahead and click on that. Once your command prompt is opened, type this command, hit config flushes, and then hit enter. What this does is clear out your DNS cake, which means all your browsing history, including Incognito history, is deleted. You'll see a message confirming that your DNS cake has been successfully flushed. Now let's move on to your Android phone. Type or paste this URL into your browser. Insert link for DNS settings. This will take you directly to the page where you can manage your DNS settings. Look for the option that says Clear Host H. It's usually on the right side of the screen. Once you tap on it, you successfully deleted your Incognito history from your Android device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informational videos. And don't forget to like.